Hey you, huh? Hey you, huh? Hey you, huh? You are using mail in which you have a separate section called spam section, SPAM spam section, and the mails which are spam will be sent into the spam section. How will it know whether a mail is spam or not? How? Here comes the machine learning. What? Now we are going to learn about it. Welcome to Time Pass Coders. Let's get started. Whenever whenever you hear about machine learning, you will also hear two words along with it. They are artificial intelligence and deep learning. So whenever you hear about machine learning, you will be hearing artificial intelligence as well as deep learning. So let me make you clear what these are. So if you think artificial intelligence is a big circle, then machine learning is a subpart of it. Machine learning is a small circle inside that artificial intelligence. So machine learning will also come under artificial intelligence, and deep learning is again the subpart of machine learning. So whenever I talk about machine learning, I am talking about machine learning as well as deep learning. So deep learning also comes under machine learning. Let me say you some other applications of machine learning which you use in your daily life. You use Instagram and Snapchat daily, and in that the camera will recognize here you have hat, here you have specs, and how it is recognizing, how it knows your eyes are here, your head is here. So here also the machine learning comes into role, because everyone's eyes are not similar, everyone's head is not similar. So the machine learning will learn, okay, this is how head looks like, this is how eyes look like. So here also machine learning. And also whenever you go to Google, you have an option of speech recognition. If you say hi Google, it will recognize you. It again uses the machine learning. So everywhere we have machine learning these days. So what exactly the machine learning is? Machine learning. So what exactly machine learning is? The name itself, machine learning, says machine learning. So machine will learn. So the machine learning means machine will learn. Okay. Now the doubt is, from where the machine will learn? It learns from the school teacher. No, no, no. Machine learning will not go to any school like you and me. It will learn from the data which we give. So machine learning will learn from the data which we give. So to make it clear, let's go back to our example of spam. So spam emails. So as we earlier said, it knows the difference between a spam email and a normal email. So how it will know? So here we are going to give it data to recognize a spam email and a normal email. The data which we give it is, suppose we give around 10 lakhs of emails which are spam, and we say, okay, machine learning algorithm, learn these are spam emails. And we also give some good emails and we'll say, learn these are genuine emails, these are spam emails. So it will look every email and it will scan it, and it will understand itself that okay, this is spam email, this is normal email. So it will bring correlations itself. It will keep some rules by itself. We explicitly do not need to keep any rule, like if this have something written like 1000 rupees, it is spam. Okay, it itself will keep those rules. There is no need of coding all these rules. It itself will give some rules to it. It itself will bring some correlations in it. So it will understand the difference between a normal email and a spam email. So here the algorithm will do all this. There are many machine learning algorithms available. Those algorithms will set some new rules to itself. So this is how a machine learning typically works. It learns from the data which we give it, and it will act according to the data which we gave it. So in this case, now it know what a spam email looks like and what a normal email looks like. So whenever it sees a new mail, it can decide, okay, this is spam and this is good one. As the time moves on, the style of spamming also changes. In 1990, how a spam looks like will not look the same in 2021. It will change. Most of you know that we can report a spam email. So if in the general mail section, if we get a spam mail, we can report that this is a spam email. So when we report like that, this mail will be sent to the machine learning algorithm. So again, so many emails are reported as spam, so it will again understand the new rules. It will set the new rules to itself that okay, the spam is changing, these are the new spam words, these are the keywords used in the spam. It will again understand it. So there is no need that always there are thousands of lakhs of programmers sitting and writing the rules. If this mail contain this word, this is spam. It is not possible. So we use machine learning for this. Machine learning can set its own rules and can identify a email whether it's spam or not. This is how basically a machine learning algorithms looks like. So what you learned from this video, what machine learning means? Machine learning is nothing but machine will learn from the data which we give it. And you have also learned many applications and how spam detector works in our mail. If you think this video helped you, this gonna help your friends too. Share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Like if you like. Don't forget to share the video.